Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today the bulls are out and Bitcoin is soaring high. The cryptos are floating back up as the holiday weekend is coming to a close, and it is officially Tuesday today, and we are going to see what's going to happen for the rest of the week. We're going to dive into what we can expect, what some of the larger players in the market are predicting right now, and what you can start predicting and what you might want to consider doing with the short-term, mid-term mindset. Of course, long-term, we know we're bullish, but over the next few weeks, what can we expect? We'll dump into that in today's video and more. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's hop into the charts, guys. So, taking a peek at the crypto market cap, we're back up to 1.3, folks. So pretty exciting. We do love to see crypto climbing. Over the last day here, we've had a 6.6% increase overall in crypto. So the whole market is up 6%. Bitcoin dominance down just a little bit here, and ETH dominance climbing a little bit as well. So the altcoins taking a little bit more of an upside, and you can see that in Cardano's price action. So Cardano's currently up today alone 16%. Over the last 7 days, it's up 12%, but a little bit of upside here to be had. Yesterday we created a video and we talked a little bit about how over the holiday weekend we can expect some low volumes, which gives us the opportunity for, bigger buyers to have an opportunity to move the market. Something to point out here, when you look at the Bitcoin chart and you peek at what we've been experiencing for the last, month, this is one of the higher points we've had since the downfall. Of course, we got to break back above 32, but one major resistance that we've been experiencing has really been at that $30,600 price level, according to a lot of technical analyzers here, people that are trading on some of the technicals. They were really eyeballing that $30,600 price level. Well, today we shattered through that and we climbed up. We're at 31.5 right now, and we're going to have to see exactly, what happens over the next week. But we did break up here, and if, we can maintain this traction, we can continue to go up, and we can get above 32,000, well, then we're looking more at that $38,000, $36,500 level. One thing I want to point out in this video is kind of some of the macro economics here and some of the things that a lot of the big boys are talking about when it comes to Bitcoin and crypto, specifically JP Morgan. So JP Morgan, I told you in a recent video, they came out, they're talking about $38,000 Bitcoin, and there's a couple reasons they're doing that. One, they do have a good thought on the long term for crypto, right? They are starting to compare. Here's the article. A stunning JP Morgan chart hints that Bitcoin is acting a lot like gold. Now, if Bitcoin can equal the market cap of gold, that's about a $10 trillion market cap. If Bitcoin can equate a $10 trillion market cap, that is roughly, let me just show you right now, current market cap of Bitcoin is 662 billion. So that is roughly, I guess, about an 18x. So maybe about a 16x even, which is a significant upside for Bitcoin, guys. That's a $31,000 coin with a 16x upside to equate the market cap of gold. That's substantial. So if we do that, you're talking about a $500,000, if not more, Bitcoin, and that's absolutely massive. So something that we got to keep an eye on is Bitcoin performing like gold? Now, when you peek at these charts and you look at some of their comparisons, they are moving similar, and it excites me because if Bitcoin can outperform gold or perform like gold, then we are going to be in the spot we want to be, because it's got to be a hedge against inflation, and it's got to be something that people are comparing to real estate, to gold, which is very exciting, and then it will break out of the same old trend that the regular market has. You get a lot of people saying quite a bit here. So one being, hey, Bitcoin is looking a little bit like gold. Bitcoin and gold's market cap could equalize as they serve the same purpose. This is what we want to see people start talking about. If this comes into existence, and this actually follows in the trading action of Bitcoin, then you're going to have a lot of opportunity to get huge gains in Bitcoin alone, and especially altcoins, right? If Bitcoin goes up, altcoins will go up huge. You can see that in the price of Cardano today. But they're talking about institutional investors holding this, and here's a quote: "Because volatility is so critical when it comes to institutional investors' risk management, the market cap of Bitcoin held by institutions likely won't reach gold's level until volatility subsides." So we are waiting for this volatility to kind of cool off and this to get a little bit more mainstream is kind of what they're talking about. You also got other folks talking about AK Bitcoin. So Guggenheim, right? Scott Minerd, who is a chief investment officer for Guggenheim, he is currently talking about a test at AK. Now, I do not believe that we are going to hit AK. Could we hit AK? We certainly could. Maybe this is just a holiday pump, and the volumes being so light this weekend allowed for a pump and a little bit of a breakout. We could come right back down. I said that in yesterday's video. That still holds true today. Though, I do like that we traded above $30,500, $30,600 because we needed to break above that resistance. And so we did. And I do think in the short term, I am a bull for at least the short term. Always long term, midterm. We still got to kind of prove ourselves. But I like seeing a comparison to gold. Don't love seeing a Guggenheim talking about it. AK. Honestly, I do. Scott Minerd's been pretty wrong throughout the history. Usually, if he says one thing, you can kind of bet on the opposite. So almost this call of AK for Scott Minerd is bullish. In the past, he's made some bad calls. Honestly, he is a crypto bull, but he kind of plays that game where he likes to spread the FUD and buy the bags if he can kind of create a buy the dip opportunity with some of his words. He's a big boy, so he can make some big market moves depending on his words at times. Maybe Bitcoin's too big for that these days, though, so that's exciting to see. Another quote here: Bitcoin and any crypto at this point has not really established itself as a credible institutional investment. Everything is suspect. No one has cracked the paradigm in crypto. We have 19,000 digital currencies, and most of them are junk. Well, 19,000 digital currencies according to Coin Market Cap, but there are many, many more. So there are a lot of cryptos, and most of them are junk. And more cryptos are going to come into existence. You're probably going to have another 19,000 cryptos getting added, if not more, in the next year. As this becomes more accessible and more knowledge is getting passed, we're going to have more altcoins, guys. And, a lot of people are asking, are altcoins dead? No, there's a lot of coins are just at the beginning. And yes, there are some junk coins. Terra Luna had a tough time. Is Terra Luna going to have a comeback? We'll see how Terra Luna 2.0 goes, but they lost the faith of a lot of people. There's other coins like, Dogecoin Mars. Is that a scam coin? It's a meme coin. It's for fun. Is it a scam? I don't know. I'll leave that up to you. You got to do your own research, but there's certainly some scams out there, and you got to be aware of that, and you got to look at coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum and Zilliqa and some of these other larger projects that are established, have been around for a while, and don't die off when the markets cool off. Right now, Bitcoin is seeing a 25% gain potential, according to JP Morgan as well. And they're even saying it will replace the real estate market, and it is a preferred alternative asset class. These are all very exciting things to see, guys. If this mentality keeps being a thing from such a large institution as JP Morgan, and this spreads across, we're going to see a lot more buying happening in crypto from institutions. We're going to see crypto establish itself further. That's one thing they're talking about. There's a lot of volatility right now. That's kind of what's holding it back from being that next goal. We could get there, guys. I think the volatility still got time to work itself out. We're going to have a lot of ups. We're going to have a lot of downs in crypto because that's the nature of the beast. But overall, you hang in there, you dollar cost average, and you hold on. You're going to make some good money. That is what we believe wholeheartedly at the Crypto Report. This is not investment advice. This is just a couple ideas from a couple of guys that, love crypto, love thinking about what could happen in the future, and, love seeing forward progress for society and for folks that are learning about finances, for folks that are learning about economics worldwide, thinking about investment strategies, whether you want to buy real estate, stocks, crypto. Crypto is really exciting. It's new. According to JP Morgan, they're saying that it will replace real estate, which, I think you take that one with a grain of salt, but it's exciting to see. That is all I got here in today's video. I am Crypto Kip, and this is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash your like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, you gotta remember to DCA, hodl, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.